Yes.
Hi, I'm Laurie. And my name is Gabby. And this is our show.
Well, you see these cookies? We're gonna do something called the cookie challenge
So you have to get the cookie from your forehead to your mouth
without using your hands. So
So
we're
here we
gonna
go.
do that right now. So I hope you enjoy this. Wait, let me put.
Do
on
we
my
like
music.
1, 2, 3, go, right?
Okay. When do we go?
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Wait. Guys, stop laughing. Okay. You ready to do it? I just couldn't stop laughing.